Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the presentation and organizing slides in the order you will speak. Once done, open your microphone settings and run a quick level test so audio peaks sit around -6 to -3 dB. This avoids clipping and keeps consistent volume. Next, enable slide timings and choose Record Slide, show record from current slide if you want incremental takes. Make sure to use a quiet room and disable system sounds, so the first recordings are clean and usable. Now you record each slide as its own clip so mistakes are easy to fix. Record in short segments and pause between sentences to create natural breathing spaces. Once done, use trim to cut silences and re-record to replace any flubbed lines. You can re-record a single slide without touching the rest. Make sure to normalize levels, add gentle fade-ins and fade-outs, and preview how audio syncs to animations, so voice and visuals align smoothly for viewer comprehension. Finish by exporting the full presentation as an MP4 at 1080p for sharing, or save as a PPTX if you want editable audio tracks later. Once exported, test playback on desktop and mobile to verify volume, sync, and codecs. Make small adjustments if animations drift. If audio is missing, check that each slide's audio is embedded, confirm your playback device drivers are active, and ensure Record Slide shows saved timings. If problems persist, re-export a short test clip to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.